Does this feel familiar? You post something, you refresh the page, you launch a project, you wait for the applause, you make a decision, you look for nods of approval. We all crave that little hit of validation. It feels like proof, like we're on the right track. But what if I told you it isn't proof at all? It's a delay. From the moment we're kids, we're trained to chase it. Good grades, praise from our parents, a gold star from the teacher. That habit doesn't just vanish when we grow up. It just goes digital. Likes, shares, comments, retweets. It's the same old game with a new scoreboard. Now, let's be clear. The problem isn't that validation feels good. Of course it does. The real problem is that it replaces thinking. When getting approval becomes the main goal, you stop asking the most important question. Is this correct? Is this true to my vision? Instead, you start asking a much weaker question. Will this be accepted? Will people like this? This validation-seeking habit sneaks into our lives in subtle ways. You might see it as trend chasing, jumping on every new fad because it's popular. It shows up as opinion dependence, where you can't make a move without surveying everyone around you. It leads to an inconsistent strategy, constantly changing direction based on feedback, and making short-term pivots that lead you nowhere. None of this looks weak on the surface. It can even look smart, like you're being responsive and agile. But it is weak. Why? Because validation rewards what's popular, not what's precise or right. And let me tell you, popularity has never been the blueprint for building durable wealth or a meaningful life. The crowd is often wrong. Validation does more than just distract you from your goals. It actively trains you to abandon your own judgment, to outsource your conviction to others. It erodes your independence, one like at a time. It's a trap. But there is a way out. In part 2 of this series, we're going to dive deep into how this validation trap specifically plays out in business, finance, and leadership. More importantly, we'll break down the practical steps you can take to escape it for good. Part 2 is where we start rebuilding your independence and reclaiming your own mind. Make sure you resubscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.